up, Austin?
What up, bro?
My man.
How we doing?
Good. We gotta wipe this thing down a little bit. Yeah. Maybe a little residual from the last wash. Something like that. We gotta look right on the road, man. We gotta go down and get the C8, you know?
Okay.
And she went in for a little tire repair, but tire's not coming in yet. So why not have the car while we're waiting for the tire?
Absolutely.
So we're gonna take this baby down. You know, maybe put the top down on the way.
Absolutely.
Gorgeous day out. The C8 is back in the fleet, man.
Yeah, it's came back from Florida, right?
Yep. Got a decent amount of mileage on it now where it's broken in enough.
Yeah. What are we doing after?
Definitely want to stay tuned for that. We got some good stuff planned.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Let's do it. We're clean. I mean,
Wow. Where did
if that happened, honestly, the car got detailed when he got back because it was disgusting, obviously, from that long of a drive. And the guy that detailed the car actually mentioned it to him. Then he sent me a picture. Yeah. Imagine that was 2 hours into the drive and then just kept going. Look, like the washer's still on there. It's like something's bolted on there. The whole thing.
Man, that's a big nail.
I didn't know Pilot Sport 4S's were so hard to get. What a shame. What a shame.
Dude, I can't even get an oil filter for my truck. Everything right now.
Man. Well.
Looks bad. Dude, everyone was turning their heads looking at it.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah. I put 5% on these.
Is it 5?
5%, and actually the windshield is tinted as well. You can't even tell, right? Put 70% on the front windshield so that you don't get the sun glare, but you know what I mean?
Stock was 70.
On what?
The windshield.
Windshield was not tinted. No. Didn't want to lose the view from, like, if you look at the front of the car and like you get the view of the interior, didn't want to lose that, so. But she looks good. Yeah. So hard to maintain black.
Well, that's why he's got you. He's detailing everything.
No, I can't do it anymore. It's too much work.
You just started.
Better off hiring somebody. Then we can film more with Austin. Just got home from Rochelle Chevy. McLaren is put away. We're gonna also put the C8 away. We got a bunch of moving around to do now that the C8 is home. The Urus is gonna move out. We're gonna put the Huracan above the Urus. We're gonna actually bring the Camaro back in the garage. That's gonna go on the top of that lift. And we'll throw the C8 underneath. Let's get it going.
There we go.